Hi friends, how are you? In this video, we will discuss about computer shortcuts. Before that, let us know what is the use of computer shortcuts. While we are typing any text in your personal computer or any computer, it took a lot of time to rewrite the documents and it took a lot of process. In this case, you use shortcuts to simplify your work. Computer shortcuts will simplify your work. In this video, I will tell you the computer shortcuts from A to N. Let us move into the video. First shortcut is Ctrl A, alternatively known as Ctrl A and Ctrl plus A. Is a shortcut key most often used to select all text or other objects while in a graphical user environment. Shortcut number 2 is about Ctrl plus capital B, alternately referred to as Ctrl B and Ctrl plus B. Is a shortcut key most often used to bold and unbold text. If you are using a Apple computer, the shortcut is Command plus B or Command key plus Shift plus B keys. Shortcut number 3 is Ctrl plus C. Ctrl plus C is a common computer command. It is generated by pressing the C while holding down the Control. On most computer keyboards, in graphical user interface environments that use the Control key to conduct the active program, which was commonly used to copy the text. The fourth shortcut is Ctrl plus D, alternately referred to as Ctrl plus D, which was Ctrl plus D, is a keyboard shortcut that varies depending on the program. For example, in most internet browsers, it is used to add the current slide to a bookmark or favorite, but other programs like Microsoft PowerPoint use it to duplicate objects. Fifth shortcut is Ctrl plus E in Chrome, Edge, Firefox and Internet Explorer, which was Ctrl plus E focuses on the address bar, search bar or Omnibox depending on your browser. Using this shortcut can be helpful when you are done realizing the current page and want to type a new address or search for something else without using the mouse. Sixth shortcut is Ctrl plus F. Ctrl F is the shortcut in your browser or operating system that allows you to find word or phrase quickly. Seventh shortcut is Ctrl plus G. Ctrl plus G in most text editors and IDEs. In the most text editors and IDEs, the Ctrl plus G shortcut is used to go to a specific line in the file. For example, you could press Ctrl plus G to open to go to the line window, type 100 and press enter to go to the 100th line of the file. Eighth shortcut is about Ctrl plus H, alternatively referred to as Ctrl plus H or Ctrl plus H. Is a shortcut key that varies depending on the program being used. For example, in the most text programs, Ctrl plus H is used to find and replace the text in a file. Ninth shortcut is about Ctrl plus I, alternately referred to as Ctrl plus I and Ctrl plus I. Is a shortcut key most often used to italicize and unitalicize text. On Apple computers, the shortcut for italic may be the Command key plus I key. 10th shortcut is about Ctrl plus J, alternatively referred to as Ctrl plus J and Ctrl plus J. Is a keyboard shortcut that varies depending upon the program being used. 11th shortcut is about Ctrl plus K. Ctrl plus K is a common computer command. It is generated by pressing the K key while holding down the Control key on most computer keyboards. In hypertext environment that use the Control key to control the active program, it was often used to add, edit or modify a hyperlink to a web page. 12th shortcut is about Ctrl plus L. In Microsoft Word, Ctrl plus L is used to left align a program or paragraph. Also referred to as Ctrl L and Ctrl plus L, is a shortcut key that varies depending upon the program being used. 13th shortcut is about Ctrl plus M. In Microsoft Word and other word processor programs, pressing Ctrl plus M indents the paragraph. If you press this key on keyboard shortcut more than once, it continues to indent further. Shortcut number 14 is about Ctrl plus N. Ctrl plus N is a shortcut key often used to create a new document, window, workbook or another type of file, also referred to as Ctrl plus N, which was used to create a new document. In this video, we discussed about shortcuts from A to N. There was a part 2 for these computer shortcuts. Meet you once again. Signing off, yours Naveen, MixHub YouTube channel. Please do like and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more.